What's going on, guys? It's Nick, CEO and founder of Rival Consultants. Today I'm going to be doing a video about Telecheck. Nowadays, we should all know who Telecheck is. You still use checks to do transactions. You should already know who Telecheck is. Why are you still using checks in 2018? I have no idea. Unless you're a business, I really don't see why you'll be using checks. But anywho, Telecheck, really what they're there for is to really authorize a check. Whenever you present your check as a payment, your check is authorized through a specifically designed, secure system called Telecheck that captures the bank information and amount of the check. During the transaction process, you'll be asked to sign, different things like that to really verify the check. Really stop people from doing like check fraud and different things like that, which is still common for some odd reason. I don't know why people would do it, being that's 2018, but anyway, guys, really just a quick video on Telecheck. And really their sole purpose is just to verify checks and really prevent fraud in that aspect. Just like check systems, really collecting information, same stuff. Other than that, guys, have a good one. This is Nick. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll be bringing you more videos like this pretty soon. So have a good one.